Fix the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update. Update required. Minimum supported SDK version. If you're encountering the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update or update required minimum supported SDK version error, it usually means the launcher is outdated, corrupted, or unable to download the latest update files. This can also occur due to Windows compatibility issues, damaged cache files, or antivirus interference. 1. Restart your PC. Close the Rockstar Games Launcher completely and restart your computer. After restarting, launch the launcher again and check if the error is resolved. 2. Run Rockstar Games Launcher as administrator. Right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions needed to download and install updates. 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router, disable any VPN or proxy service, and try launching the launcher again. 4. Clear Rockstar Games Launcher cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent updates from installing correctly. Delete the launcher's cache files and restart your PC before opening the launcher again. 5. Update Windows. Install all available Windows updates. Outdated system files can sometimes prevent newer launcher versions from running correctly. 6. Disable antivirus. Temporarily, some antivirus programs may block launcher updates. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and check whether the launcher updates successfully. 7. Reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher. If the problem persists, uninstall Rockstar Games Launcher, restart your PC, and install the latest version. This replaces any damaged or missing files. 8. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Missing Visual C++ components can cause launcher update issues. Install the latest Visual C++ Redistributables and restart your computer. 9. Check date and time settings. Make sure your Windows date and time settings are correct and synchronized automatically. Incorrect settings can cause update verification failures. 10. Perform a clean reinstallation. Completely remove Rockstar Games Launcher and any leftover Rockstar Games folders, then install a fresh copy of the launcher and sign in again. After completing these steps, the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update or update required minimum supported SDK version error should be resolved.